Lord have words. This one, unfortunately, is a true story. I hate to admit it, but my shirt was in my left and my pants was in my right. I'm gonna laugh after me now because I know it happened to only sometimes.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Let everybody see my child grieve for right. Why, Lord? Finally beaten for my loved ones, but at my irate husband, searching for a man that wasn't I. We reach the court, we gone inside. The hand of justice shall preside over his gate. The child shall begin. Come dance with me, man, dance with me. Your honor, our inside is Your honor, you was a complete stranger, causing these disturbances. He claims I'm a touching wife, which is a wicked and awful life. The two and them was occupied. Sing it!
Shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
And them was occupied.
Shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
Dear judge, can this court accept my story from my heart? Why, judge? Chance you don't believe this tale. Ask him what you will not will. Agree, I was a better man than he. Just in case you refuse to answer, check the videos here. I got a only thing that to testify for me. Your honor, I was inside because it's why I am my own business. Your honor, you was a complete stranger, cause it is disturbances. And them never touching wife, which is a wicked and awful life. And them was occupied, sing with me.
Shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
And them was occupied.
The shirt in the left and the pants in the right. Sweet power.
Dear corporal, that's your luck I in this prison. Pray for right. Please, corporal, please don't leave me here to wonder why the court made this blunder. Try me for a crime that wasn't there. Corporal, when you're going to send me dinner, send your woman or your sister. One more day of this, I can't give it up. Your honor, I was inside because it blinded I am dead. Your honor, you was a complete stranger, caught in these disturbances. You claim them a touching wife, which is a wicked and awful life. The two of them was occupied.
Shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
And them was occupied.
Shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
Your honor, I was inside because I am my own business. Your honor, you was a complete stranger, caught in these disturbances. You claim them a touching wife, which is a wicked and awful life. And them was occupied.
The shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
And them was occupied.
The shirt in the left and the pants in the right.
"49 years ago I wrote this song. Up to now, we've not stopped yet. Sunday gone I jump and I really late, but it's not my fault. When you lazy to me, And I this for you and do dub beat. Yes.